嗨，大家好，今天我想跟大家推荐一些帮助你能学英文口头表达的工具书，或者更确切的说是美语表达。因为我们都知道不同地域的英文，尤其是在口头交流中还是有差异的。比如说英国人日常生活中用的单词和美国人日常生活中用的单词可能会有一些不太一样，大部分是一样，但是偶尔那些不一样的地方还是会 confuse us non-native speakers. So for all intents and purposes, we're talking about American English. Hello. If you're wondering why the thumbnail looks different than the video, it is because this is not a new video. I'm actually recalibrating my channel. It's not reposting if the new subscribers haven't seen my old content, and I'm using this opportunity to take a sabbatical of sorts while I work on something really exciting that's to come by the end of this year, I promise. Also, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention my latest ebook, which is a complete guide on how to learn English or any other language on your own. It includes a detailed study plan with all the tools and resources that you need. I've also addressed some of the common misconceptions and questions. Reading the book will help you understand, this is what I did wrong before, this is what I should do. No matter what stage you're in terms of your learning journey, this book is going to help you out so immensely, I promise. Or refund back to you, no questions asked. All right, let's get on with the video. Let's get into the first selection. This is called Conversational American English.
它封面是长这样的，然后呢，你打开里面会发现它其实有点像是字典，但是它是根据不同的场景来分类的，比如说 discussion and resolution, disputes, 就是讨论跟吵架，道歉，不同的道歉。然后如果你去翻里面的这个表达的话，它会按照就是最常见或者说最口头的表达到最不常见或者最正式的表达来分类。So you have your different options. 然后这边还有一个跟它类似的，你可以看它都是同一个出版商，同样的概念，只不过这边可能会变更正式，更书面一点。
These phrase books are not ideal for just passively picking up on words, passively learning new words. However, it does help you organize the phrases and expressions that you already know or roughly know, so that you don't have to do the hard work and put everything down and list out your options. So this would be ideal before you go into a scenario with a native speaker or right after you heard some phrase. Kind of like a dictionary. You need a language material, you need something with context, you need something with a conversation. And that's when something like 走遍美国 comes into play. So this is a pretty old but not outdated conversation textbook. If you have the CDs, or sometimes you can go online and find just free videos. And as you go through different lessons or different episodes, it's like watching a TV. It's very easy to follow. They use shorter sentences and easier words and totally more beginner friendly. I feel like this textbook is so slept on. I'm sure you can find videos to this textbook or even apps that have either the audios or the videos of this textbook, but I would highly recommend getting a written material for it. And then one last suggestion is my own phrasebook that I released. My own phrasebook is categorized in 3 different ways. One is categorized by words. I don't know about you, but I've noticed that the most common words that native speakers like to use are words that we already know or have learned in school. However, we may not know how to use them the way native speakers use them. And so in my phrasebook, I've listed out the most common, there's not that many words, but I've listed out the most common abstract words and how to use them. And so that's the first way I categorize these phrases. The second way is based on scenarios. So phrases that you could say in a restaurant, phrases that you could say to catch up with friends. All right, that's it. I'll put the links or at least the names of these books in the description somewhere, and message me if you have any trouble finding them, and I'll get back to you as best I could. All right, see you in the next one. Ciao.